take off your seatbelt. You have to do something. Okay. Put your hand. Kai, put your hand inside here.
Mon and Chriselle helping Kylie put on our seatbelt.
Can you help Kylie untangle? Wait.
And Christian helping Kylie put on her seatbelt too. He's trying to help her untangle
Now go.
the harness. And there he goes. Quick! Good job, Kylie.
First part.
Good job.
The second one. And that one. And then there's how she can do it. Go. Push. Hard. That.
Yay! Almost
Now,
there.
That one. That. No, Chriselle do it. She can do it. She needs a lot of practice. Help.
Yeah.
No, one. Push. 1, 2. I think. One.
Good job! Yay! Now that thing that goes
Up.
that needs to go up. Good job! Perfect! Yay! You did it! Good job, Christian. Good job, Kylie. Good job, Chriselle.
Now we did it. Now she knows how to buckle herself. Now, Mom, choose.
Okay.
Someone gets to sit in the front.